number 3. On example number 3, I wanted us to determine the equation of the regression line. I should have done it like vice versa. I should have started by giving you the equation first and then draw the line, because we need to know how to get the equation. Okay, how do we get this equation? I'm still using exactly the same data. Since we're using exactly the same data, we've stored the data. Now remember, what does our equation have? We said our equation is going to have the following. Look at the following. It is a straight line. Since it's a straight line, we spoke about which our equation should have A, it should have B. And then there's this Keres formula that we used to get B, which we don't use. So which one are we going to use then? If we can't use that one, which one are we going to use? We say Y is going to be equal to B plus AX. It's A plus BX. So it's A plus BX. Okay. So now, before we draw our line of best fit, let's determine the equation. For you to determine the equation, you need to know what is A, you need to know what is B. Where do you get A and B? You're still going to get them on your calculator, except you're going to use, instead of using 4, agree we've been using 4 in grade 11. We're no longer going to use 4. We're going to say shift and then 1. 4, it's grade 11. Now we're going to jump to grade 12, which is 5. And then you can clearly see what you see there. You see A. You also see what? B. And then you simply press 1. What is our A? It says which minus 17,14. We're still fine. Okay, what is our P? AC again. Shift 1 and then we press 5. 0. Our P is 0.86. Therefore, what is going to be our equation? Our equation is going to say we have minus 17,14 plus our P is 0.86x, like this again. Now, as soon as you have this equation, then you should be able to draw a perfect line of best fit.